morning, boys and girls. Today is day number 7 in our sort number 73 for our short O, or our long O with the silent E, or a long O with the double consonant, OA, or our oddball. You know that short O sound with the silent E at the end? Those two little breakers. Alrighty, I need you to pause your video here and go ahead and sort your words. Now that you've sorted your words, you can unveil them and go check that you have your words in the right category, under the right header. Alrighty, so now we are doing our blind sort, right? So we need to you need to be like a teacher, take a paper and cover up your sort. Once you've covered it up, you take your handy dandy notebook. Go ahead, take your handy dandy notebook, lay it down, and we are going to write our words. So for me today is 4-24-21, but you have a different date. So ask someone or check on your calendar. You can check on the calendar on the computer what date it is. And then we're going to write down blind sort. All right, and we underline it and we make sure both our words are capitalized. I know I have 4 categories, so I'm going to write a line down the middle, and a line down this middle, and a line down that middle. And then I write down my headers. So I have CVC, we know that's our short O. We have CVCE with the silent E. We have CVVC, that's our 2 vowels in the middle. And we got our oddball, our little rule breakers. And these are the ones that have a short O sound with a silent E, but not following the rules. And we draw a line underneath it. By the way, anybody notice something? I know, right? I have a purple marker and it writes pink. Craziness. All right, so now I need to write down a word. I know this word right here was box. It had the short O sound. I know this one here is road. He rode a horse. It has the silent E. And this one here is road, the other road, the one I ride my car on. I'm not going to give you the oddball because you only have 2. So write as many words as you can down. And then when you wrote all the words you can think of down, then you unveil your words and you check. I know box is spelled correctly. I get a check mark. Road is spelled correctly, check mark. And this road is spelled correctly, check mark. If I misspelled any of them, then I would not get a check mark. I would have to get my eraser out, fix it. Or if you wrote in something that you can't erase or don't have an eraser, cross it out and write it on the bottom. Also, all the words you didn't have in your category, add them to your category. They do not get a check mark. Then up here, get yourself a grade. Count how many check marks that you have. When you're done, let me see it or post it on Class Dojo. See you next time, my little friends.